CSU Global's online MBA program is excellent for students looking to grow not only in the business world, but also in their professional world as well. My name is Dr. Jennifer Cornelius, and I am a part-time faculty member in the MBA program at CSU Global. What makes CSU Global's program stand out from other universities out there is really applying practical application. We are really figuring out how do you apply this, and we're using a case study from the beginning of the program through the end of the program. When you go through it, you're applying what you're learning to a different avenue of that case study. You're really deepening your connection to the material and to the content and understanding how it would apply in the real world.
My name is Nick Anjaki. I am currently an MBA student with an emphasis in organizational leadership and change management. I am an HR professional by trade and by career. I was doing my research on online MBA programs. I wanted to kind of deepen my knowledge and not just focus on yet again another HR type program, and found that Global had a new MBA program. An online degree is not an easy handout. An online program takes self-drive. It takes extremely efficient and great time management to be able to fit it in. You don't have to log in for a specific lecture time. There are no tests, there are no quizzes. So those that maybe have test anxiety, this is the program for you.
At CSU Global, you are building a network, meeting students who are living all over the United States, even internationally. That's building a network that you wouldn't have otherwise been able to build. And that's also part of the beauty of CSU Global's MBA program.